Hello everyone. If you see this website, you might face several difficulties. Text is hard to read, button may not work, navigation is unclear and bright colors hurt your eyes. So, how can we solve those problems? This is where UI UX comes in. What is UI? UI stands for User Interface. It's what you see and click on the screen, like button, color, text, and layout. For example, a joystick button shows which action goes with which button. That means UI is all about how it looks. On the other hand, UX stands for User Experience. It's about how you feel and interact with the screen. It should be easy and enjoyable. For example, using a joystick, UX is how smooth and simple it feels to operate. In short, UX is all about experience. The basic principles of UI UX, which is simplicity, consistency, accessibility, and user-centered design, guide every step of the process and ensure the product is easy to use, visually appealing, and meets user needs. Now, let's talk about the UI UX process. The first step is user research, understanding user needs, behavior, and problems to design better products. Suppose we want to create an app. Our first step is user research. We can do this with tools like Google Forms or Typeform and by sharing with friends or users to get feedback. The second step is information architecture. This means planning how all the content in the app will be organized and arranged so user can quickly find what they need without confusion. To do this, we use tools like Miro or diagrams.net to draw a clear structure, almost like making a map of the app. The third step is wireframing. Wireframing means creating a simple blueprint of the app or website. It shows the layout, structure, and basic functions before we move into design and development. At this stage, we use tools like Figma or Adobe XD to create the wireframe of the app. The fourth step is visual design, deciding how the app or website looks, including colors, font, images, icons, and overall styles. So make it attractive and easy to use. So we can use tools like Canva, Figma, or Adobe XD to design how the app looks. The fifth step is prototype. Prototyping is creating a working model of a website, app, or product to test ideas, interactions, and usability before final development. We can use tools like Figma, InVision, or Adobe XD for prototyping. The sixth step is usability testing. It checks how easily user can use a product and complete tasks, helping improve the overall experience. We can test the app using tools like Maze, Google Form, or live Zoom calls to observe user reactions. The seventh step is iteration. It means improving a product by making small changes, testing them, and refining it step by step, changing again and again to make it perfect. Tools like Figma, Miro, or Adobe XD are used for this process. The eighth step is handoff to developer. This means giving the final designs and instructions to developers so they can build the product. Tools like Figma, Avocode, and Zeppelins are used to hand over the designs. The ninth step is post-launch analysis. It looks at how users use the product and spots things to improve. Tools like Google Analysis and Hotjar help analyze user behavior. Thanks for watching. Like and share to help friends learn. Thank you.